Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Sew Hoppy Together, and this is a cute little card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our big shot. And I have a piece of Night Navy. And then I have a square from the Layering Squares, Framelits. And I have a piece of Whisper White. And then I have a smaller square from the Layering Squares as well. Make our sandwich and run this through. Get this out of the way. All right, and we're going to be doing our stamping on our Whisper White. And I have our little frog and our sentiment, and we're using Sew Hoppy Together, and we're going to use You Can Do Anything and this cute little frog right here. So I have Call Me Clover, and this is mounted on clear block C or D. And I just want to put him right here in the bottom right hand corner. And celebration is still going on. We got about 2 more weeks, so you can still earn this. The framelits are sold out, so I thought I would use an alternative. This is Night of Navy for the sentiment. And it says, You Can Do Anything. All right, so we're going to take our Night of Navy, and we're going to use that as a mat. So we'll just layer that. You can probably center it a little bit better. All right, that will do. And I have a piece from Happiness Blooms, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And then I have a piece of Pineapple Punch, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm just going to go ahead and adhere this down to the Pineapple Punch. Oops. So just like that. And I have the Pineapple Punch grosgrain ribbon. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to crisscross it. So I'm going to put a piece of tape in the back here. Get that to lay down. So just like that. Trim that down. Now I'm going to adhere this to the Call Me Clover card base that we have, and that is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. So just like that. Now I'm going to take this little guy and I'm going to pop him up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. I really like the way this Night of Navy is with the Call Me Clover. It's one of the greatest things that I love about Stampin' Up! Is that everything coordinates. So I think I'm just going to put him right there. And next I have the Happiness Balloons enamel dots. So I think I'm going to use the pineapple punch on these and get that incorporated a little bit more. So I'm going to use the bigger ones. And let's see, why not put one more here on the bottom? All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple card to encourage somebody. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!